Want the perfect setup? Don't follow the menu guide. I will show you how to automate everything in just 4 steps. Okay, get started. I will create a specific folder. It is not required, just optional. Okay, let's open the PowerShell. Please make sure it is installed on your system. Then right-click on the icon and select Run as admin. Go to create a specific folder as a Flutter install. Copy and paste. Enter. Now we got the Flutter install folder in the here directory. You can check on that part. So we have to create the empty folder. Let's change the directory. Now it stands for the Flutter install folder. And then we go to copy step 1 and paste it from here. Now we got the file download complete. Okay, next we go to step 2. Copy and paste here. Next step 3. Copy and paste. In this step we have to take some time, so please wait until download and install complete. Just input Y and then enter to proceed. Okay, everything installed completed. So we go to the last step, step 4, copy and paste. Okay, now you see this red X for Visual Studio. Don't worry, this is built for Windows app platform. No need. It's just only Flutter and Android is enough. Okay, go to search Android Studio for open it. May Android Studio ask to collect your data. I always click Don't Send to keep my environment clean and private. It does affect your code at all. Click on Next. Next. Please wait on this download component. Maybe take some time for download complete. Okay, click on Finish. Before we go to create project, we have to install important plugin. So the first we have to install Flutter plugin and go to search for the dark plugin. Type in your dark and install. After install complete, we have to restart the IDE first. Okay, now our Flutter is ready. So click open and we have to looking for the Flutter. Click on Flutter and we go to the find the Flutter SDK. Go to that part. Looking for the Flutter SDK. Click on and select it. Select next. This is your project name. And then we have to uncheck because we have to be on the mobile platform only. This way. Now we have to complete to create the Flutter project. If this script saves you time, hit like button and subscribe. For the next video, I will show you how to AI generate the best practice structure for the Flutter project. See you the next video.